So let us try answering some question. We have reached to page number 86, and this is in a page number 86. This is about, question is about, try to answer the following question. It is page number 86. Question number 1. Question number 1 says, in which direction is the distance covered equal to the magnitude of the displacement of an object in motion? So question is, in which condition is the distance covered is equal to displacement? Okay. Okay, this is answer to this question will be, let me use this pen. When is distance equal to displacement? Let's say you are here and you move in a straight line and you reaches here. Okay, you have moved from here and here. What will be the distance? Let's say the distance from here to here is 100 meter. And what will be the displacement? Distance is equal to 100 meter. Distance, which is equal to displacement, right? Same, you are traveling in a straight line. Okay, so if you are traveling in a straight line, okay, in one direction, then we say distance is equal to displacement. Okay, if 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 we move, if object moves in a straight line, if a object moved in a straight line, if the object move in a straight line in a single direction, okay, without changing its path, changing its path, then distance will be equal to the magnitude of distance will be equal to the magnitude of displacement. I hope you understood this. Let me tell you once again. You are traveling in a straight line. You are here. You move in a straight line and reaches here. Let's say you move in a straight line here and you came back here. Let's say after going here B and you reaches here C. So will the distance and displacement equal? No. Why? Because distance will be, you reach here and came back. This is your distance from here to here and came back here. Total distance, right? Displacement is only this one, right? So they are not equal. So what is important is, if you travel in a straight line, one thing is you must travel in a straight line like this, and you must not come back. You must travel in straight line and they must not change the direction. You must go in a straight line and must not go like this. It must always be a straight line, only in this direction, not come back also. Okay, then distance and displacement are equal. I hope you are getting my point. Let's go next. Next is, can the distance traveled by an object be smaller than the magnitude of the displacement of the motion? Okay, can distance traveled by object be smaller than the magnitude of displacement? Okay, so distance can be smaller than, no. Answer is no. Answer is never. Okay, no. Distance is always greater than, or equal to, but not less than, greater than or equal to displacement, greater than or equal to displacement, but not smaller, than the magnitude of displacement, Okay, it's always greater than or equal to, distance is always greater. Okay, let's go next. Displacement, an object covers a distance, can it have zero displacement? If yes, support your answer with an example. An object is there, it covers a distance, can it have zero displacement? If yes, support your answer with example. Okay, let's go. An object covers a distance. Can it have zero displacement? Yes. Okay. When is displacement equal to zero? Yes. Answer is yes. Displacement, displacement, okay, can be zero. Displacement can be zero. Okay. When, if, yes, displacement is can be zero if an object travels a distance. If an object travels a distance, travels a distance and come back to the same position again, and come back and comes back to the same initial position, same starting position. Okay. Now look, let's say you are moving from here. Let's say you went like this, you reach here, you went like this, you reach here, you reach, went like this, you went, you came back here. And this is your initial position. C, D, E is your final position. Initial and final position are same, right? So what will be the displacement? Zero. Distance, yes, obviously distance will be AB plus BC plus CD plus DE, obviously. But displacement will be zero. Can it have zero displacement? Yes. When? If the object travels a distance and comes back to the same starting position again, then it will have zero displacement. Let's go. Question number 4. Question number 4 is true or false? Displacement cannot be zero. False. Just now I've shown you, right? Displacement can be zero. Displacement can be zero. So displacement cannot be zero. So answer 1 is false. 2. Magnitude of displacement may be equal to distance covered. Yes, true. This displacement and distance covered will be equal when, if they travel in a straight line. We have discussed, right? Magnitude of a displacement is greater than the distance covered. Displacement can never be greater than distance. Okay. Displacement is, it can be equal to distance, can be less than distance, but will never be equal to. So 3 is false. Okay. So what if I need to conclude this, whatever we have discussed so far? If I need to conclude, how shall I conclude? I'll conclude that first point is displacement can be zero. Okay. Second point is displacement can be equal to distance. Third point is displacement is less than distance. It can be less than distance. Fourth point is distance is always greater than displacement. Okay. What else? Displace. That's all. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. These are the points we have discussed so far.